Welcome back, guys. It's been a long time, but we are finally back. From now on, we'll be uploading videos according to our previous schedule. So without wasting much time, let's get started with today's video. Today, we're gonna build a vanity role system. Let me show you how it works. Our bot is online, and if I type vanity in the chat, you can see all the commands that will be used to manage the entire system. But we'll look at the rest of the commands later. For now, let's set it up. So we'll choose the vanity setup command. Here, you need to enter a keyword. Whenever this keyword is detected, the bot will give the vanity role. For example, I want that if ethical programmer is detected in someone's status, they should get this role. You can also choose whether it should be case sensitive or not. I'm not enabling it since it's optional. Then we'll submit it. Now I'll remove my existing roles first so that when the role gets added, it's clearly noticeable. Now let's look at the other commands. You can also set a vanity logs channel. So whenever a new vanity is detected, logs are sent there. I'll just set a random test channel for now, okay? That's done. There are other commands as well, like you can enable or disable the system, view the vanity list, and check the vanity status. Now I'll apply the same keyword to my status. And as you can see, as soon as I set it, the bot detected my status and gave me the role. It also sent logs in the logs channel. And if I remove it, the role will be removed as well, and logs will be sent again. Pretty cool, right? So now let's start building this system. But before that, if you want access to this complete system or many other advanced systems like this without coding and at a very reasonable price, you can click the Patreon link in the description and join my monthly membership. There, you'll get access to 200 plus advanced systems that you can add to your bots to make them more unique and cool. Or if you want fully ready-made bots, you can check out the shop section on my Patreon where you'll find highly advanced bots at great prices. All right, now let's get back to the video. So here is our project. And first of all, we'll create the schema file. So let's go to the schemas folder and give it a name. Now, let's start writing the code. All right, so our code is almost complete. After this, you just need to save the file and restart your bot, and everything should work perfectly. If it still doesn't work, you can join our Discord server. The link is given in the description and we'll help you out there.